Here is Plan L, new old stock deluxe impact sprinkler from Rainbird. Kind of the same deal. "10-year customer satisfaction policy." The one that's in service here in this sprinkler doesn't have that washer there. It's the only difference I can see, other than just a slightly newer version of that. And it's just got the more familiar adjustment there, as well as the deflector like that one has. Take a look at the back. Not quite as new old stock as I want, but still $19.99. At least it's in the same century as this rig here. So just have to take what you can get. And right there, "Do not oil, grease, or pipe dope on sprinkler." Okay, I will not. But either way, that one was messed up. I'll tinker with it some more. Maybe I can get it working one of these days, but for now, I'm going to put the new old stock thing in there. Snip the cable ties. This one here is super free turning, so might be that one's simply worn out. Kind of the same deal. Well, let's pop this one out and see what we can get into. And that one just threads in there lovely. Get that kind of adjusted out. Well, let's go back out there and give it a test. Okay, first water test. We're cooking with gas now. How about that? I fixed it. So once again, this has been reviving a 1960s Rainbird impact sprinkler by retrofitting a new old stock newer version in there, and it's got a heck of a good sprinkler. There you have it. Thank you for watching.